elevate yourself to such a level that they say that this guy is a brand, this girl is a brand, and we want them to be as a part of our organization. Otherwise, it is not easy to get that offer letter. Maybe after B.Tech or M.Tech or M.S. or M.B.A. It's not a joke, it's not a comedy, it's not a fun. I think all of us are growing up, we all are getting trained. There are few people maybe from the second year or the third year. Now where is this engineering taking us to? That's my intention. I just want to make one thing very clear to you. That you are going to be responsible for whatever is going to happen. And the basic or the kind of, the origin for everything is the brand that I carry in me, the brand that you carry in yourself. Each one of you are super special to be born on this planet. There is a purpose, there is a reason behind it, your existence on this earth. And that too, maybe God has given you the privilege to become engineers, so that is like a icing on the cake. Now you can use it or you can misuse it. The choice is yours. The decisions and the choices that you make in these 4 years are the ones which are going to actually design the next 40 years of our existence. So you've got to be all the more careful. I don't say don't have fun. That's not my job. I don't say don't be naughty. I'm not here to, that your parents are there, your departments are there, college is there to take care of that. But my one simple point is, are you actually developing a brand in yourself? Are you becoming better than your first year or the second year or the third year? Do you see a change in you? Are you actually growing up to be somebody in this world? You people are sitting here and spending time till 3:30, 3:40. Back home your parents are having a dream on you. It is just because you're coming to college that dreams are becoming stronger and stronger. Now the fact of the matter is, on the day of recruitment, if things don't work the way we think, and maybe things are not conducive, people don't accept us. Now tell me, what face do we have to actually go and face them? You just have to imagine the kind of excitement that might be, on their faces when they actually see you running with an offer letter. Could be after any education, could be after B.Tech or M.Tech or M.S. or even M.B.A. or anything that you want to. Any parent wants their child to first be placed. Otherwise, there will be no meaning for our studies. What is the use of the great knowledge when I'm not able to express that knowledge to a stranger? In this I have a knowledge thing. It's a very simple fact. You've got to understand this ground realities. From our childhood, that's from our first standard through to our 10th standard, we don't have freedom. All the students are under subjection. There are teachers, you're scared, you're young, you're innocent. You wanted to do so many things, you could not do it because there was a lot of discipline. The entire school life is full of orders and orders and orders. But you somehow managed to pull it out with a great percentage. You just ask yourself the percentage you people have hit in your 10th standard. You're not an ordinary person. You are a simply super human being. It's not easy for people to get that kind of a percentage. Now with that percentage, you joined your junior college. You have done 2 jobs. You worked hard for your MSET, you worked hard for your junior college. Now you could do both. You could actually do justice to both. That is the kind of capacity that you have. But one thing was missing, that was freedom. Freedom wasn't there. We used to have steady hours, we used to have extra classes, there was everything, someone or the other was under your head, literally controlling you. So what has happened is, finally when we get into professional college, or for that matter B.Tech, the only thing that comes to you free of cost is freedom. You have all the privilege to do what you want to do. You want to sit here, you can sit. You want to walk out, you can walk out like a hero. You want to talk, you can talk like a villain. You can do whatever you want to do. There is absolutely no control. The point is, when freedom increases, you are going to lose something. That's human tendency. When there was less freedom, the brilliance was coming out of you. aggregate, you look at the percentages, you look at the knowledge that you people carry. You are sitting so innocent out here, but you are not, you actually don't look to me as innocent, you look. There is a knowledgeable person in you. There is an intellectual person in you. Now that has come because freedom was less. Now when freedom increases, that's where the problem comes. And most of engineering college students across the country, I'm not pointing out at one engineering college. I've been seeing this in every engineering college. There is no focus. There is no focus, especially on a preset goal in life. In other words, oka guri levu. We all think that I'll see later. I will think about it later. It's just the time to enjoy. It's freedom now. I have to make friends. I have to build a strong relationship with my people. I should have my own gang. So what is going on? What's happening is education is taking a back foot. Discipline is taking a back foot. Ethics and values that were taught by our parents right from our early age, they're all gone out of the window. I was really so shocked when people after some time, they just start walking out of the class. What could be the reason? Yes, okay, they are turned out. If there is another special meeting for that, that makes sense to me. But I've come all the way here just to interact with you people, just